hate this. Why didn't you give me the Nukeproof? Dude, look at this bike. We should do a bike check about it. So I just picked up my new bike. Pretty sick. I guess we'll do a bike check first to get everyone done with. So, to kick things off, we are running a Nukeproof Snap 2012. Pretty sick. Moving on to the forks, we have a RockShox 30 Gold. Moving on to the cockpit, we got specialized bars, 720 wide, matched with Santa Cruz grips, pretty comfortable, don't ask me. We got Odyssey's brakes and a fun head step and send. So moving down the frame, we got Nukeproof pedals to match the frame. Then we got effect cranks and black spire sprocket in a purple just to match the pedal. So moving to the back of the bike, we have Alex rims, 26-inch front and rear, paired with a Maxxis Y-Wall wheels, which are pretty sick if you ask me. We have a stitched hub, which sounds awesome when like zooming down them trails. And then we have a Clark's M2 brakes in the rack. I'll spin the back up to you. And finally we'll move into all the little in and outs. So I did convert it to a single speed because it does come with like the extra brackets to put a derailleur on, but I took that off because I had the option to. Then we have a lizard skin, crank boots and a king headset just to make it all colour themed. So a couple of days ago we did get some clips of me riding Mari, but it got too dark to do the bike check, so we thought we'd do it another day, so yeah, we'll go back to that now. Put your feet down. So Braydan was just saying before, if we can get this video 300 likes, we'll build his own dirt jumper. So yeah, stay keen for that.
I'm doing a yes with the gimbal.
Yeah. How's it going up and down? Ready? Up, down, up, down. Alright. The silence. Yeah, I'll be like, so I guess it's time to wrap the video now, guys. Oh, yeah. What am I saying? I was gonna let Asha share it.
It wasn't on.
I'm done wishing.